Hey, posting some thoughts because I was just at the AI Infra Summit last week where I posted a few walk and talks, and then I was really thrilled to do the SNIA Developer Conference, SDC, this week. And I wanted to circle back around on, I think, an important topic that I mentioned before I went into all of those about this topic of segments, particularly as it relates to AI. I said I wanted to look into some of these ideas of segmentation. I'm going to give one example. I've got right here the America White House AI Action Plan. And if you read from the introduction, which I need glasses for, it says in paragraph 2, winning the AI race will usher in a new golden age of human flourishing, economic competitiveness, and national security for the American people. AI will enable Americans to discover new materials, synthesize new chemicals, manufacture new drugs, and develop new methods to harness energy, an industrial revolution. And here's the thing about that. I think that's true. But when you read out those vertical markets or those use cases, and it's things like curing cancer, predicting the weather, this industrial revolution, those are the vertical markets that we associate with high performance computing or science and engineering or R&D or whatever you like. It's these top line innovations. And what I'm getting from AI Infra Summit or a lot of the other hyperscale types of applications is great. Go do it. Okay, here's your chat bot or pictures of squirrels riding bicycles. And that's just those LLM kinds of things or Gen AI pictures and social media. It's different than the AI that's going to go do science. And it's not that it won't, but it's just that that's a little further away. And here's a point that I made in my keynote talk yesterday that I think a lot of people really responded to, and it's an important one. AI is not designed to give you the right answer. That's what math is for. AI is designed to give you the expected answer, the answer that it's trained to give. I brought this up at a conference last summer, and someone on a panel I was on said, well, if someone designed an AI model that said the planet is cooling and not warming, no one would believe it. I'm like, that, of course someone would believe that, right? And some of the people who believe it would be very powerful. It's very easy to get AI to produce an answer that you train it to produce. We use the term training like we talk about training a dog, and it's not a bad metaphor. If you said, well, my dog just attacked somebody, is that the right behavior? Well, I mean, is it a police dog? Is it a guard dog that was protecting your property? Or did it bite a kid at your son's birthday party? Those are different things. But from the dog's perspective, if you train it to be an attack dog and it attacks somebody, the dog thinks that's the right behavior. AI will do what it is trained to do. So when we apply it to science or top line types of applications, there's a lot that needs to be done still. It's not just magic. Gen AI just doesn't know how to do these things automatically. It needs a lot of technical data, a lot of training, and a lot of collaboration with traditional scientific applications to get that job done. And that's different from, hey, just here's a service that does an LLM. There's a lot going on with Trillion Parameter Consortium and a lot of the national labs. And yeah, within the hyperscale companies in specialized areas to do this, but it's a different segment. And I just didn't hear very much about it at AI Infra Summit at all. I'm going to be going into the Carla conference next week in Latin America. Other people on my team are going to be doing some local events with E4 Engineering. That'll be Kevin Jackson and Antonio Marr. Then I'll do one in Europe with the Do It Now people with an HPC roundtable. Then I'll see the whole team. We're going to go visit Jülich Supercomputer Center. I just got to visit El Capitan at Livermore this week. Awesome stuff. But yeah, these supercomputers, the Jupiter system at Jülich, the El Capitan system at Livermore, these are awesome, amazing achievements. And this is the forefront of AI for science that's a little different than a lot of what I saw at AI Infra Summit. So those are some thoughts for now. I'll be back later with updates from these other upcoming events. Thanks a lot.